Essay question: The dangers of tobacco smoking. Essay begins. Man has perfected a number of ingenious ways to damage his health or kill himself under the disguise of enjoyment, but tobacco smoking must be the most widespread, the most enduring, the most antisocial and the most stupid. Some people destroy their livers in the process of drinking alcohol themselves to death. Others choose to consume destructive narcotics such as heroin and cocaine. Still others combine these destructive habits with lethal subsidiary activities: drink driving, combining alcohol and drugs with the consumption of sleeping pills. At least one could argue that, for the most part, these people harm mainly themselves. A heavy and persistent smoker will pollute your environment with cigarette butts and ash. He will poison the air you breathe and make your clothes and hair stink. He will inflate the home insurance premiums you have to pay because so many fires are caused by matches or cigarette butts carelessly discarded by careless, thoughtless, antisocial smokers. And if you are unfortunate enough to require hospital treatment, you are likely to find a significant proportion of the beds and medical resources devoted to the treatment of respiratory diseases and lung cancers in smokers. In fact, the only person likely to benefit from widespread smoking is an American lawyer, who will doubtless try to sue a tobacco company for selling his client what he wanted: cigarettes. The puzzle is, why do so many people start smoking in the first place? Peer pressure assumes that there is a significant group of smokers in every age group, so that does not explain the phenomenon. For other vices such as the consumption of alcohol, one could at least argue that the taste of certain drinks can be appealing equally. When one is very thirsty, an alcoholic drink will satisfy a thirst as well as a non-alcoholic drink will. Yet all smokers seem to agree that the first few attempts at smoking were unpleasant, often resulting in sickness. So why do they persist? Those who feel that smoking projects a romantic image would do well to remember the text of an anti-smoking poster: kissing a smoker is like licking an ashtray. Cigarettes are sometimes known as coffin nails. If you a premature, uncomfortable death at the end of a period of breathless, gasping illness, lived out in a stale, smelly, acrid atmosphere, then slip out and buy a packet of coffin nails.